In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT-4 for creating a compelling Facebook advertising campaign, specifically for a fitness coaching program. This process will help you efficiently leverage AI to craft not only engaging ad copies, but also generate creative visuals and pinpoint your target audience. So, let's dive in. First, we need to head over to chat.openai.com to get started with ChatGPT-4. Once you're on the website, initiate a new chat. This will be our workspace where the AI's capabilities will guide us through the different stages of crafting an outstanding ad campaign. The robust language processing of ChatGPT-4 ensures that you receive coherent and creative output, designed to capture attention and pique interest. Now, let's move on to the second step. Generating ad copy. For a Facebook ad targeting a fitness coaching program, you'll want to prompt ChatGPT-4 with, for example, write a high-converting Facebook ad for a fitness coaching program. Don't forget to specify your target demographic. In this case, busy professionals aged 25 to 40. Make sure to ask for a short headline, engaging main text, and a strong call to action. These elements are crucial because the headline grabs attention. The main text offers insight and value, and the call to action prompts engagement or conversion, which is your ultimate goal. Once our ad copy is ready, it's time to think visually. You'll want to create image or video ad ideas that can complement your ad text effectively. A suggestion here could be to ask ChatGPT-4 for, say, give me 5 creative Facebook ad image video ideas for this fitness coaching program. Make sure to request ideas that are simple yet eye-catching, allowing for easy design in Canva or similar tools. Remember, your visuals should not only be attractive, but should also communicate key messages at a glance. This is crucial because in the fast-paced world of social media, capturing attention visually can make all the difference. The next step involves fine-tuning our audience targeting. This is where you'll ask ChatGPT-4 for something like, suggest the best Facebook audience targeting options for this fitness coaching ad. It's important to include interests, behaviors, and demographics that align with your target audience. The more accurately you pinpoint your audience, the more likely your ad is to reach individuals who are genuinely interested, providing a better return on investment. Remember, effective targeting ensures your resources are spent efficiently, reaching those most likely to convert. In summary, using ChatGPT-4 helps streamline the process of building a powerful Facebook ad campaign. By generating ad copy, creating visual ideas, and honing in on precise audience targets, you can confidently launch a campaign poised for success. So take these steps, apply them to your project, and watch your advertising efforts yield tangible results. Thanks for tuning in, and until next